Hi, we'll be learning today simultaneous equation by substitution method. What does substitution method means? That we will find the value, first we will find the value of x in terms of y from any of these two equations, and then put that value of x in the other equation. Fine, so let's see this. The first equation is 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. So we will find the value of x in terms of y. That means we will take 5y to the other side of the equation. It will become minus 5y, and we have to leave x alone. So we will take 8 also to the other side of the equation. 8 is related with x by multiplication. So 8 comes here and it becomes divide. So x का value has come out to be 9 minus 5 by 8. Now we will put this value of x in our second equation, because we have found the value of x from the first equation. We can do vice versa also. So now it will become 3 9 minus 5y upon 8. Value of x 3x की जगह पे we will write 9 minus 5y by 8 plus it's 2y, so 2y is equal to 4. Now we will solve it. So first we will multiply 3 with all the terms inside this bracket. So it will become 9 3s are 27 minus 5 3s are 15y upon 8 plus 2y is equal to 4. Now there is nothing at the bottom of 2y, so that means it's 1. So now we will find the LCM of 8 and 1 to make it a linear equation. So 8 and 1. What is the LCM of 8 and 1? It's 8. So we will put it as 8. So this is already 8 ones are 8. No need to do anything with the numerator. Simply write it 27 minus 15y. Now it is 1. So I have to make the denominator as 8. So I'll multiply the denominator 1 with 8. So if I am multiplying the denominator, I need to multiply the numerator also. So it will become 8 2s are 16y is equal to 4. Now we will solve this. It is 27 minus 15y plus 16y is equal to 8 goes to the other side. That becomes, it's over here divide. So it goes there and it becomes multiply. So 8 4s are 32. Now it is 27 minus 15y plus 16y plus minus minus. So 16 minus 15 is 1y and 16 is greater. So we'll put the sign of a greater number is equal to 32. Now y is equal to 32. 27 goes to the other side of the equation and it becomes minus 27. So y is equal to 32 minus 27, that is 5. So we got the value of y. Now we will put this value of y in either of the two equations. So I'm putting it in the first equation. So the first equation was 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. So now it becomes 8x is 8x plus 5 into 5, because y is 5 is equal to 9. So 8x is equal to, this becomes 25, 9 minus 25, because 25 goes to the other side of the equation. So it becomes 8x is equal to 9 minus 25 is minus 16. So x is 8 into x is minus 16. So 8 goes to the other side of the equation because I want to find the value of x. So it becomes 16 divided minus 16 divided by 8, that is minus 2. So x comes out to be minus 2. This is how we do equation by solving simultaneous equation by substitution method.